What is your reading on AI, its implications, and how it can be integrated into an organization's journey?
The AI and the context that the AI will need is going to come from the data that is housed in these data stores, right? And I think we always talk about this idea that data is a constraint for AI. I believe there is actually one more constraint, and actually that may be even bigger constraint. And that is our ability to train the data. And that is a bigger constraint because our data was not designed to be trained. Our systems were not designed to be trained. And we just talked about the fact that this vocabulary definitions are missing, or they are inconsistent, or they are not, or they are duplicative or redundant in multiple places, right? So with lack of that interpretation, the language where we can understand the cause and effect of this data across the data elements is going to become a big constraint in my view. I think what we just talked about, which is the semantic model or semantic layer that we are kind of talking about, is every organization will need it in some form or fashion, right? And the ones that have it in a more mature, more durable, more consistent way are the ones who are going to have the right framework for training the data. It's almost starting point. So if I have the right semantics, I have the right definitions, I have the right cause and effect and the linkages between the data, that will become the source, that will become the raw material to train the data, to create that interpretation and to build these language models that we need for the enterprise. So I think, to me, we have been talking about data. We have been talking about data dictionaries or semantics and ontology for years. And enterprises have tried it, larger the enterprise, more complex the enterprise. They've tried it. It's always been kind of incomplete, or it happens only in one silo or the other. It's never really comprehensive. I think now if the organizations really want to use artificial intelligence where they can use the data, their internal data, in context of the external data and in context of the generative AI to bring that kind of picture, I think they will now be forced. And I use the word forced means they have to now have some semantic modeling in some form to be successful.